Hey guys, LechK here. Today a quick video to show you how to change the intake air filter on your car. We're doing this on a 2024 Subaru Forester, so it's going to be the same idea for most of the Subarus, but in this case it's specifically the Forester 2024. This is the filter you're going to need. If you're going just with the basic standard one, you can also upgrade to a K&N, which will last you a lifetime basically, but that will be triple the price, about 60 bucks. This one will cost you about 20. So you got to pop open your hood. So if you don't know how to open your hood, I'll show you guys that really quick. It's hidden right here. Just got to push this latch. That will pop your hood open. And then when the hood lifts, you still got to unlatch it here. So you go under the hood and just push this to the side and lift your hood. So that's that. Your intake filter is located right in this box. You got to unclip these two clips, push this away, and we're going to pull out that filter. So unclip it, just pull it right out. As you see, it was time to change. Anytime you get in your oil change, they're going to tell you they want to change it, except they'll charge you triple what it costs to do yourself in about 2 minutes. Pop open the new one. Nice and new. Make sure the seal lines up on all edges. Close it up. And you are all done. That's simple. Check out my channel. I have more videos on this car, how to change the cabin air filter and some other stuff, oil changes, plus lots of other cars. Guys, thank you. Any questions, let me know. Have a great day.